Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to create a really simple Venn diagram in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to have a basic Venn diagram that looks like this. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So in order to insert a Venn diagram, you can go up here to the Insert ribbon. And once you're on the Insert ribbon, under the Illustrations group, just click Smart Art. And this box will appear. On this box, if you click Relationships and you scroll down, right here is a basic Venn diagram. And if I click OK, I can see that there now is a Venn diagram in Excel. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now you may have different groups for what you want to put in your Venn diagram, but for now I'm just going to put A for the first one, and over here if I click I'm going to put a B at the second bullet, and over here I'm going to put a C for the third bullet. And then if I select A, I will see a box around A. If I right click on that, there's an option up here for fill. So if I click that down arrow, let's make A purple, and if I right click on C, I can see that same fill, and let's just make C green. And if I click off of there, I can now see that Excel has built a very basic Venn diagram for me. We go into this a little bit more out on our blog, and I will include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.